And she gave birth to her son, the firstborn, and she wrapped him in strips of cloth and laid him in a manger, because there was no room for them in the lodging place. Luke 2 verse 7. Do you know who this little baby is that I'm talking about? Yes, it's Jesus. He was born in a stable. A stable is a place where animals are kept. When Joseph and Mary, mom and dad of Jesus, came to Bethlehem, there wasn't a room for them anywhere. So they have to go with the animals. And on this very day, Mary gave birth to Jesus. As you all know, this is Christmas month. Let's prepare a souvenir remembering Jesus. Start by taking ice cream sticks. I'm going to make a board which will represent the stable and the manger where Jesus was born. I've taken 9 ice cream sticks and now we'll glue them together. And our board is ready. We'll keep it aside for drying. Now we'll make a lamb depicting Jesus. For that, draw a U shape pointing at the bottom, 2 ears and a curved line at the top to join. And from the black paper only, we'll draw the legs and then cut it out. Similarly, we'll draw the rest 3 and cut it. So we have the face and the 4 legs ready. Let's bring back our board and we'll place the legs and the face. Now for the body, we'll take the white paper and make an oval approximately this size. A big oval here. This is the body of a lamb. Now we'll cut it. Let's see whether it fits or not. I guess it's fine. Perfect shape that we want. Now we'll coil some white sheet to give a texture of wool on the lamb. For that, we need to cut strips of white sheet. You may use a scale and a pencil to make lines. Now we'll coil them with the help of a pencil. Just wrap them around the pencil tightly and you'll have a coil like this. You may make small ones, big ones, it's up to you. Take one strip and coil it around the pencil. Hold it for a few seconds and take it off. You'll have coil like this. Make many and you have to paste it on top of it. Now we'll fix them together with the glue. Starting from the legs. Now we'll place the body. And the coils on the body. You may add glue at the body and then paste the coils. Now let's paste the face. Add some more coils, small ones at the side. Paste them nicely and neatly. Fill it up completely with the coils. Now it's the time to paste the eyes. I'm pasting googly eyes here. If you don't have googly eyes, you may cut white and black paper and paste it to meet the eyes. And here is a souvenir ready. You may write a message here for Jesus, like I love you Jesus or I love you Father. Enjoy.